And Jai Hind everyone. We are going to start today's class, that is practical number 7. What is the aim of practical number 7 is to design a laser security alarm circuit. Okay, in this practical we are going to design a laser security alarm. Okay, so first you know about what is the laser security alarm and how it works. Suppose this is the laser security alarm circuit. In this circuit we use again a LDR, that is light depending resistor. Okay, so this circuit having a LDR, and when any torch or laser light, okay, or intense light, you can say any torch, laser light or any intense light fall on the LDR, then the laser security alarm circuit will start working and buzzer of laser security alarm circuit will start working. Okay, or the buzzer of laser security alarm circuit will generate the voice. It's indicate that a laser light fall on the LDR, okay, or any light fall on the LDR. Okay, so this is the concept of today's class, and we are going to design this circuit in today's class. So what are the components or material which we use in this circuit? First, one resistance of 10k ohm, okay, one buzzer, one battery, okay, one LDR, that is light depending resistor, one breadboard, one jumper wires if you need, and one BC547 transistor. Let us move towards our circuit diagram. Let's see the arrangement of this circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. This is BC547 transistor. This one is the collector, this one is the base, and this one is the emitter, because arrow, this one is the arrow, this is symbol of emitter. This is the buzzer. Okay, this is the negative terminal of buzzer, and this is the positive terminal of buzzer. This one is the battery, resistance of 10k ohm, and this is the LDR. These are the components. Okay, so let's see how it arranged. The negative terminal of buzzer, this one is the buzzer, is connected to the collector of BC547 transistor, and the positive terminal of buzzer is connected to the positive terminal of battery. Clear? And one end of 10k ohm resistance is connected to the base of BC547 transistor, and second is connected to the battery positive terminal. Clear? One end of LDR is connected to the base of BC547 transistor, and second terminal is connected to battery negative terminal. Okay, and emitter is directly connected through a jumper wire with battery negative terminal. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. Let us move towards our procedure, how to design this circuit on your breadboard. So this is the procedure. What is the procedure? Number 1, connect all 3 pin of transistor to 3 different rows of the breadboard, that is connected. Pause the video and read it carefully. Connect the negative terminal of buzzer to collector of BC547 transistor. This one is the collector, and connect it negative terminal to BC547 transistor. Next procedure is to connect the positive terminal of buzzer to positive terminal of battery. Okay, so with help of this blue one jumper wire, we connect the positive terminal of buzzer to positive terminal of battery. Clear? I am not repeat again and again what is the row combination and what is the column combination and what is the use of jumper wire. Revise your previous classes. Okay, Next procedure is to connect the one terminal of 10 k ohm resistance to base of BC547 transistor and second terminal to battery terminal. This one is the 10 k ohm resistance. Clear? This one is the 10 k ohm resistance. Connects its one terminal to base of BC547 transistor. This one is the base of BC547 transistor and second terminal to battery positive terminal. Clear? Next procedure is connect the one terminal of LDR. Take your LDR to base of BC547 transistor. This one is the LDR. Connect this one terminal to base of BC547 transistor. Okay. Connects this one terminal to base of BC547 transistor and second terminal to battery negative terminal. So the battery negative terminal and second terminal of LDR is connected together. Clear? Next procedure. Connect the emitter of BC547 transistor to negative terminal of battery, and now your circuit is complete. Okay, in this figure we completed our circuit. So this green one, take your jumper wire, it's one terminal to emitter, that is in the same row of emitter, and second terminal to battery negative terminal, that is in the same column of battery negative terminal. Clear? Now your circuit is complete, and let us move towards our result. What is the result? Laser security alarm circuit will start working when laser light or torch fall on the LDR. Laser light, when this one is the LDR sensitive part, and when any laser light or intense light fall on the LDR, then this buzzer will start generating a voice or sound. Okay, so this is the result of our class. And what is the learning outcome? We create a laser security alarm circuit first. Second thing, it works as a light sensor. It's also work as a light sensor, and the concept of LDR we have already discussed in your previous classes. Revise it carefully. Okay, so it's also work as a light sensor, reverse of automatic street light. We have already designed this automatic street light circuit in your previous classes. Okay, so this is the reverse connection of automatic street light. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.